Hi, good day. This is James again from Level for Us Computer Services. So today's tutorial, I will teach you on how to add a cashier account in the back office so that the cashier can use it in the BitPOS in the cashier side. So stay tuned. Okay, checking if my server is running. Okay, I have a shortcut here, back office. So we will log in ourselves. This is our default username and password. Admin 837922 for the password. Okay, this is if your back office will open, this interface will pop up, and here we have setup. Just click this one, and then user account setup. Okay, here uh, in my video, in the I button, I have already created an admin account for this POS, but now we're trying to um, make a cashier login account. So our user login, for example, I will just put cashier, and then for my password, it's 1234. So remember that our user login and password characters, um, it's a minimum of 4 characters. 4 characters below username and password, the system will not accept that. So our full name for our cashier is cashier also. Cashier. Okay. Telephone number, email address are optional in this section. You can put it or you can leave it as blank. And then access level. Since this is a cashier, find the cashier at the drop down. So POS cashier is here. Kindly click that one. And then port, just leave it blank. And then language, English. Users POS, it's main. And printing profile, browser browser printing support. Same with the settings of the admin, but POS cashier cannot access those reports and inventory sales in the back office. Still, the system is very safe and secure. So we will try to add new this um, user. So a new user has been added, and then a cashier, and then a full name is cashier, and then access level is a POS cashier. So let's try to log in our BitPOS using that username and that password. So cashier, and then for our password it's 1234. Authenticate. Then here we are inside the program. So I'll try to. I don't have anything to sell, but for example, I will just sell this one. Okay, if the cashier wants to remove this item, control X only. Okay, so she can remove the items that she punched, but if the owner of the business wants the cashier has a restriction in removing the item, we can modify it simply in the program. So, but the default in our system is the cashier can remove the items for faster transaction. And for also the discounts and other change price have a restriction. It needs an admin to log in to, to have a clearance for discount and authentication for the action of the cashier. So that's for now. That's how to make a cashier account in the back office so that we can use it in our BitPOS. Hope you learned from this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you like this, and then kindly subscribe for more videos. And also click the notification bell. That's it for now. Thank you. Ciao.